If you want to link GOG and Steam, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Steam account to GOG step by step, so you can sync your library and make it easier to manage your games in one place. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the GOG application on your computer. Once it loads, look toward the top area of the app and click the gear icon. This gear icon is usually where you'll find settings and account-related options, so that's where we need to go first. After clicking the gear icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Add Friends and Games. This is the option that lets you connect external accounts and expand your GOG experience. It may take a second for the next screen to load, so just give it a moment. Now you should see a Connect Account button. Click on Connect Account to begin the linking process. This is the step that starts the official connection between GOG and another platform, in this case Steam. Once the account options appear, select Steam from the list. Make sure you choose the correct platform so the connection goes to the right service. After selecting Steam, click Connect. At this point, you'll usually be redirected to a Steam login or authorization screen. Follow any prompts that appear and sign in if needed. Then confirm the connection so GOG can link with your Steam account successfully. Once everything is approved, your GOG and Steam account should now be connected. That means you can continue using GOG with your Steam account linked, making it easier to manage your gaming setup across platforms. And that's it. You've now learned how to link GOG and Steam in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more gaming app tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.